So it's quite common on a Sunday as we look ahead to the week that we get very caught up in anxiety and anticipation of what might be coming up down the road. But we tend to forget to balance that out, to look back at the previous week and perhaps the things that went well. As human beings, we tend to focus on the things that didn't go quite so well, that didn't match our expectation in some way. But in every week, there are some things that worked out okay. And it's really important to go back to those, just to reflect on them briefly and to remind ourselves what did go well. And that will give us confidence heading into the week. So take a moment right now just to get comfortable, eyes open to begin with. Just taking a big, deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And as you breathe out, just gently closing the eyes. Just feel the weight of the body sink down. That feeling of contact. And just enjoying that moment of having stopped. And just allow a particular moment in time from last week just to arise in the mind. Something that went well. It can be something really, really small. Something big. Doesn't really matter. Just allowing that to come into the mind. And just gently holding it there. And as you hold it there, remembering that feeling of it having gone well. In remembering the feeling, it's almost as though you re-experience the feeling. And just allow that feeling to remain as you become more aware of the breath in the body. Just feeling that sensation rising and falling, perhaps in your stomach, your chest. All the while just gently holding that image, that thing that went well. Enjoying re-experiencing that feeling. And allowing that to be the feeling that you carry in to the week ahead. So just gently bringing the attention now back to that feeling of contact and weight against the seat beneath you. And whenever you feel ready, just gently opening the eyes again.